Hi guys, today I go to college and my full time was consumed in college. So in terms of learning, I did pretty low. So what I exactly did, I do a solution of POTD lead code. It takes majority of 30 to 40 minutes. I solve this question and JFG POTD and then I try a new question. So I did this question today. This question name is word break and it's pretty good question. And I solved this question during college time and basically is a dynamic programming question. In this question, there is a overlapping of sub problems. So this approach I did, I solved these dictionary words into a set and then traverse. So basically it's a simple question. I did it in college and except this in terms of MERN, I did my progress in MERN is pretty low. So I did a pretty good of assignment for better my skills and better muscle memory of writing JavaScript codes. So basically in MERN, I don't did pretty well. And about my tomorrow goals, in tomorrow there is a fest in my college. It's Verve and I participate in a contest of coding. Let's see how it goes. Its name is Code Generator. In this contest, there will be only problem solving, but not DSA, only fill in the blanks type of problems. Example, there is a lots of line codes in which there is something missing and you have to find what is missing and you have to write. So this is the problems and you have to find errors and so on. I don't have any idea what about it will be. So let's see what was my experience. And there is another programming contest in which it required DSA. It's in BVP camp and it's in Delhi. So I registered it and let's see how it goes. I registered in BVP camp. It's also known as Bharati Vidyapeeth. It's start on 2 March, 2nd of March, and it is mostly 2 to 4 hours contest and coding quiz whatever it's. So let's see. I start participating in contest for gaining experience and gaining some real life values. So bye.